Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good week, and welcome to the channel if you're new, by the way. And in this video, I wanted to talk about Worldcoin. I wanted to do a brief analysis on it here. I think we hit a significant support level here, or at least it's a minor support level, but it could turn into something more. So I wanted to talk about that, and I know quite a lot of you are just in general also interested in Worldcoin. So I wanted to give you my thoughts. Worldcoin itself, I mean, if you look at the technical structure here on the daily, it's not bullish, not bearish, all right? We're basically consolidating between this major resistance level at $2, which is obviously also a major psychological resistance level. And then the main support is this level right here at 1.4 and 1.3. Now, I do want to say is that, look, this structure, I think some sort of a bullish breakout is definitely a possibility from this structure, but ultimately, with the tokenomics that Worldcoin has and also OTC deals they're doing, etc. So basically selling coins at a lower price against some sort of a lockup period. Given all of that, I would say Worldcoin is not a great hold long term, all right? Even if you like the project, the tokenomics are just are just designed so bad that it's not rewarding to hold this. Excuse the clock on the background. So those are my fundamental thoughts on Worldcoin and just in general the technical structure here. What I think is interesting for Worldcoin is that more recently we've actually seen two things. First of all, we've actually seen some strong momentum coming in for Worldcoin. First of all, right here when the market was also very bullish. Between the 23rd and 26th of September, but then also more recently, when the market was also relatively strong, but Worldcoin was one of the strongest performers itself as well. It was stronger than most altcoins at least. Was last week, right? From Thursday to Monday, actually, this week. And what we started to respect is some sort of an uptrend here. And that's the uptrend, which you can see right here with the trend line, that we also respected earlier today. Or overnight, I should say. So now the big question is, well, can we actually hold this uptrend? Because if we can hold this uptrend, then, well, technically we are getting a little bit more bullish, even though higher time frame, the technical situation is still a consolidation and therefore neutral. So the main thing I'm looking for right now is that, all right, well, there's definitely a possibility that Worldcoin, like I would say, it's most likely, as long as the market stays relatively stable, I would say it's most likely we'll at least get back up to the top of the range right here around 1.9 and $2. So that's definitely a possibility. And I would even say that's most likely, even though I'm not sure if the risk reward at this point of time is worth it, especially not with the volatility and the bearish pressure we've seen in the entire market in the last couple of days. So I'm not taking that trade, but what I think is more interesting is the potential breakout above $2. Because if we are actually forming some sort of a lower time frame bullish structure here, and we can gain momentum again, like we did the last two times, then I think some sort of a bullish breakout is a possibility. So at this point of time, we don't have that momentum. There's a slight increase in momentum earlier or this morning. But that's obviously also because we found support. So I do expect us to get into the top of the range here. For now, I would still say it's most likely that we will reject there and drop down lower, right, towards 1.5 eventually, I would say. So that's what I think is most likely, but I would keep an eye, and I will try to keep you updated on this as well. Keep an eye on the momentum, right? Keep an eye on the open interest. The last two times we rallied, you can see a big jump and big rally in open interest like this. If we see something like that again, then I do think that there's a possibility for Worldcoin to break above $2 here. And if we're able to get that breakout, so that's the main thing I think you need to keep your eyes on in terms of trade opportunities. If we're able to get that breakout with momentum, so volume and an increasing open interest, then I think we can rally much higher. I mean, Worldcoin, even though fundamentally I don't like the project, historically it has done some great bumps, and it's a matter of time before we see one of those again. So be ready for that. Like I said, at this point of time, I do think short term it's most likely we'll see some sort of a bounce. I don't think we'll break out. For that, too many things have to change. But it is a possibility, and you do need to keep an eye to identify the breakout early. Excuse me, my microphone quit on me. But those are my thoughts for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.